Oh, the days of Camelot. Here's Gauze Garage coming to you from Ideal Classic Cars Museum here in South Venice. And this one caught my eye because it is supremely clean and well done. Look at all the bright metal. I mean, that's how you know a car is done, when you look at the little tiny attention to detail. The bezels, they're all cleaned up. Power windows. Interior is expertly executed. Nothing to apologize for on this one. Yeah, man. Just imagine rolling down through some parade in a major city with this. 3 hotties on the back deck there. Only in America. But yes, the interior is just immaculate. You got your tissue box under the dash. Spears are perfect. Paint is very, very nicely done. Let's see what we got here. 283 Matador red, and it's automatic. Power windows, power steering, option to the hilt. Let's have a look. And when I see cars done like this, I really like looking at the interior, or the engine bay rather, and yeah, this one doesn't disappoint either. Very nicely done. Yep, got the power steering stuck on the back of the generator. Tar top battery. Look at the attention to detail, the sheens on the paint. Hoses. Yes. Ideal Classic Cars has been open many years now, and their inventory has definitely improved over the years, and that's why you see cars like this. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.